What is up, guys? Got this 1963 Ford Fairlane 500 sports coupe up for sale. This is a two-owner vehicle, but was in the same family since new. It was owned by a father and then a son. It came from Allentown, Pennsylvania. That's where my client is from. It was bought at a dealership there. It's a solid driving Fairlane. Not a show car by any means. I'm going to point out all the flaws so you know what you're getting before you buy it. But this thing is a solid looker, solid driver. Needs minor work to make it perfect. It's priced right for what it is. It's got the original hubcaps. It's got good Firestone tires on it. Looks like it was painted at least once. Black on black. It's got 260 V8 automatic transmission. But let's take you through the car. I'll show you all the flaws. We'll start on this side. Got a couple little rock chips here. One or two there. This side's pretty good. A little bit there, chip. Another chip right there. A little bit of love on that door. Show you on this fender. This fender has a little bit of sun fading. It's not horrible. Definitely would need some paint correction to make it perfect. Bumper's got a little bit of pitting on it. The worst part is on this side. This fender's pretty good shape. A little bit of fading here. Take you on this fender. A little crack right there, nothing too bad. Down at the bottom, it's fine. The worst part of the car is going to be on this door. You got some paint starting to peel there, or right there. A little bit of chipping here. A little bit right in here. But other than that, that's it, guys. It's pretty solid. Trunk's in good shape. The back chrome is better than the front. A little bit right here. Looks like you got a scratch. There's no dents or dings on it up top. Take you on the inside. This seat needs some TLC. It's starting to cut there at the seams. This seat's in good shape. So is this one. Headliner's in really good shape. There's no issues with that. It is a factory AC car. The AC does not work. It doesn't have the belt on it. We have not investigated and seen what's wrong with it. It might just need a belt. I don't know if the AC compressor is seized. I have not had time to check it out yet. I'm trying to sell this one just the way it sits. It's a solid runner. It drives good. If we don't get rid of it, then we'll address the issues and charge more for it. Now it looks like this definitely would want to be replaced. That's just so water doesn't get in, but it's old. Looks like somebody probably had some glue here. I don't think those speakers are original. Or the radio. Looks like it's showing 8,981 miles or 108,000. Got a little bit of wear on the dash pad too. So it looks like the compressor does turn. Small little 260, but definitely runs fine. Take you on the undercarriage. The undercarriage is clean, but it looks like it does have undercoat on it. I don't know how old it is. It doesn't seem like it's fresh. And the rails look really good. The boards look really good. It just looks grimy and old. I don't see any red flags of concern. Exhaust looks a little bit new. Let's see here. Looks pretty solid. The rails look good. The undercarriage definitely seems to be pretty decent. It's not factory. It doesn't look like it's brand new, but definitely got undercoating. But it's solid. It's not like it's falling apart that I can tell. I don't know how, like I said, I don't know how long ago they did it, but somebody was trying to protect the undercarriage. Looks like the original radiator. It's a solid Fairlane sports coupe. It's a solid looker. Up for sale now, guys. Give us a call, 215-801-9493, or go on our website, getallcars.com. We are located in Bucks County, Pennsylvania, right outside Philadelphia, between Philly and Trenton, New Jersey. They can pick you up at the airport, or we can have the car shipped right to your doorstep. We have an easy process. If you're interested in the car and we make a deal, we'll electronically send you over paperwork. They send us a bank wire and we get the car shipped out to you. It's really easy. Give us a call. My name is Rob. Take care and God bless.